guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Janet here, and today I have something a little bit fun for you guys. I know it was fun for me. I actually just returned from a quick business trip in Vegas, and I mean, it's Vegas, right? So there's shopping and gambling and restaurants and everything I love and adore. So I had a little bit of downtime between business meetings, and I know I can get into some trouble there, but I did have some downtime and I ended up doing a little bit of shopping. I found myself at, Crystals over there by Aria, and well, so I've got to do a little unboxing for you guys today, okay? I stopped by the Chanel store and I picked myself up a little something. So let's open it up, share it with you guys, and you can be as excited as I was. She did give me some free samples, which was very nice. Shout out to Iris. Chanel Chance, Coco Mademoiselle, of course, and Chanel number 5. So all winners. I'll take them. Okay, so here we go. Can you guys guess what this is? It's small, so it's an SLG. It's... All right, let's just open it. Let's open it and cut to the chase. I won't make you guys wait any longer. So I love their boxing. I love the cute little flower they stick on here. It's so cute. I'm gonna try to hold on to the packaging because I think it is adorable. This is my first Chanel purchase, by the way, so I just wanted to mention that to you guys. I have tons of other designer handbags. I never got myself a Chanel. So there's the packaging. Okay, let's open it up. It comes in this really nice case. I guess I shouldn't be surprised it's Chanel, but it comes wrapped in this really nice case. It's like a microfiber, I think. That's what it feels like. In the box also comes paperwork, the typical paperwork that comes in. Talks about the product. Okay. Pièce de résistance. Here we go. We are opening this sucker up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Love it. Okay, this is like the first time I'm setting my eyes on it as well. Well, since I bought it in the store. But, wow. It's got the caviar embossed leather. You guys can see it. You see the caviar? Green. Okay. So it is the Chanel coin zip wallet. And it does come with the tag. You can kind of see that right there. Okay. Let's unzip it. All right. So this is the other end of the tag. We'll just put this down. And, okay, it's got a burgundy interior, so it's got the gold zipper around it. It is black with the black, I just mentioned, the caviar leather. And it's burgundy inside, so you can see that. Let me just check and see. It says Chanel, made in Italy. Oh my God, my eyesight is so bad. It's really bad. I need my glasses on, but there you can kind of see that in there, and you can see the burgundy. So there is 3 compartments, okay, and the 3 compartments. So, and there's a back compartment as well, so you could put cards easily in there, maybe a driver's license, something that you readily need access to. Wow, I'm excited. Okay, it's got a leather tab on there as well. You guys see that? So it's not a gold tab. It's zipper smooth. It's super smooth. It's got the signature CC on the front. Obviously the plastic is still attached. I haven't taken it off yet. But yeah, very exciting. I wanted something that, because I obviously you've probably seen from my other videos, I do have a lot of card holders, and I love a good card holder. I do. The more the merrier, that I can shove all my cards in there now. But sometimes if it gets too overstuffed, some of the card holders actually stretch out. So then when you only got like 3 or 4 cards in there, it's already stretched out and they kind of easily fall out. So I wanted something to avoid all of that, which is why I really love having this with the zipper. So you just open it up, put your cards in, and then zipper it up. Now, of course, as the name denotes, it is the coin purse, right? So obviously, I guess Chanel invented this for coins. In today's society, not many people keep a lot of coins on them. At least I don't. I don't know. A lot of stuff that I use to pay for is credit cards or debit card, or rarely cash. But I really don't typically have any coins. But I guess if you did have coins, it would be a good place for it because it does zip up. But for me, I'm gonna actually be using this as a card holder and potentially be able to throw some cash dollar bills in there as well. Any type of bills. So yeah, I guess that's it for me. I just wanted to make sure I got to show you guys this beautiful, beautiful Chanel coin purse. And if you were having any reservations about getting it, I can assure you it's as gorgeous as you see. And yeah, even the feel of the leather, that caviar leather where you can see the grains again. I mean, it's love. All right, so I'll leave it there. If you guys have any comments, questions, feedback for me, I'm here for it all day, every day. Thank you so much again to all the subscribers, people coming back to the channel to see me, whether it's on a travel review, a restaurant review, or my new venture, which is luxury items such as this. I'm really appreciative of everybody coming out for me and supporting my channel. So thank you so much. And coming up soon, within the next couple of weeks, you are going to see some new videos come out. Starting back to the travel venture. So these are the next big couple of travel months here. So you're gonna see a lot of content coming out on travel, and I'm gonna do some packing videos. So I'm really excited about that. And of course, during my travels, I'm also gonna be doing those restaurant reviews. So stay tuned. If you haven't already and you like my content, please, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you do. Talk to you guys soon. Bye for now. Have a great day.